Na moya hefo mo firi hin na moya de yi.
Ne kan me da wase. So my sakonyi.
Utimi ni nso afepa.
Na mada it's mama etiefo ina achi.
Etiefo ajo so.
Say alape ya ba manim.
Yeah.
E de yenso ye e de aboa sunan man.
Okay.
Ene buno man nyina bo e de ato e de abeto wonanim.
Okay.
Na medical no InspiNest dwumaku a e wo Sunyani krodem ha.
InspiNest. Okay, yes. That's the name.
Say we dina inspire. As say she obi mu cry.
Okay.
Ene say ene nest say anomabu say the prof dina.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yakoye bu a ye she ebinum
cry. Okay.
Ye bunu mantem as say yawo yedi dwuma be mfie mienu ene ekomiensa mu anesa. Na dwuma de de eni ma na de ba kan wasem Bono change makers. Dwuma de di hu edwuma.
Bono change makers.
And they say
I love the name.
It's sign eba. I say nipa ku o this sign eba. Bono memha.
Okay.
And they say afi ya hyase ne hyase say ne a school for I Bono mantema senior high schools from not only in Sunyani but other towns Bono Drobo.
Yeah. Na je say nkro na e wo Bono nyina no.
Schools
na say Sunyani center. Okay.
Ye di dwuma say church wo kwan a wo fa so a wotumi ede adawon kasa won nimdia a wonya wo free wo school mu. Nimdia wonya wo potema wo mu. Ene kwan a wo fa so a wotumi ede insatrae aba efri enam nimdia won kasa won saka. Oh, Drumedi ahodo we din na mu.
Okay.
Ene di Drumedi sunko a se Drumedi edi no afimu. Aya nam so na ma ene na pay.
Okay.
Eba be hia.
Anti mo date bi a mo be ye no.
Yeah, she Drumedi na se afi ahyase afi. So me to so me no February no. Na ye di dwuma na eco schools ni mo ni wodi nkita ho. Ema ye enam so me ni nyumeku ahodo wo krom ha so etumi edin sa so se be dwendwen kwan fa so aboa ama school for mra wo school mu ne kwan a ne kwan fa so aboa ama wo so etumi nya sa adwen pa fi se ye hunu ye se o man mu ye wo nyama bebre wo hanom ye nye se bibia na nye na wo ye hwe na ye man mu na ma ebu pa enimdie hwe ye huma enimdie ebu pa na se wo ka san me de se wo kan se ebinum sorry you problems you problems now see who kwan fa so heading problems no opportunities other side of the problems and you say problems is ebu and you say you can say an problem enya de
how we are separate we are said
ebu am betumi ama yunya akwenya say betumi ade sache beba na empo beboa yankasa na o maye ebetu say see ye man mu a obiara ka so ye entrepreneur and say business person bia no e solve problems
okay
intini ye hu ne say obi etumi enya mebunu a obetumi sorry say how e way important one obe solve ya so solve no na wa yedin won so e fa ho enya de obenya
okay diviti wase ya InspiNest ne mo pesa mo ye ne say yes ye were problems bebre we ase na akwada no sorry a e was so timi dwen kokan say problem we how do I solve this
sure
irrespective of the problems me finding me who wo mu no how do I overcome the problems to make a progress
sure
good the mamenko madam question so far the important specifically what have you done with these students in their various schools yes okay Gloria Momo okay Shepherd Girls Model GHS
there be me communications officer
okay for InspiNest very well good the DNA specifically my no schools no
okay so we say entrepreneurship there obia fa adwen say there you was say you train kola no hands-on training
okay
but then here they no very different it's not about hands-on training per se in kola nya a mindset change about how entrepreneurship to be built as a finding problems and then providing solutions to it because maintain now there are so many problems around but then because nobody has find say a problem no and I say obiam providing solution to it no obiam dream who say then then we can solve it so what we started with 5 schools 3 senior high schools and 2 junior high schools.
Okay.
So these schools are Sewakese, Notre Dame, SHS, and then OLP, Our Lady of Providence. Some were far in Drobo.
Okay.
And Notre Dame.
Criteria when I'm used to have picked those schools.
So our focus was girls' schools.
Okay.
Getting girls' schools around. But then around most of them are mixed and all that. Yes, okay. And the BONO region, it doesn't matter, say, you quite half it doesn't matter because they are still a girls' school and it's still the BONO region before almost separating. Yes,
separation requires just artificial.
Basically,
geographically, we are together.
Yes, basically girls' school, so that we start from there. A pilot, so that we can focus on other places. So we went to these schools.
Okay.
So first,
Sewakese, Notre Dame, and
GSS and SHS, Our Lady of Providence. Yes.
Okay.
So first and foremost, the idea is say the girls now, 6 girls from each schools, center. So that we had a 1-week training with them. So we trained them on problem solving, teaching them our model, and then teaching them social media as well. And then we also talked about the hubs that we were establishing in the schools. Okay. So it was a 1-week training every day, and what we took them with. Okay. The agenda for that was to be able to with those 6 girls now. Training
colleagues
so that and yet to say then we've left it there. It's training colleagues on things that we've taught them. Okay. So call back and then that's what they go and do. But we go back to go and have reports to go and see how far elko into your car. Now first almost 36 girls, now they are called 30, then they add up 30 sir. Most OLP say we've gone for a training that we've gotten like 100 girls coming. 100 girls coming to the training. I see. Notre Dame to over 100 girls coming. The girls are here, they can testify to that. And Notre Dame GSS as well. So they are able, or after the training, they are able to create their own things. Notre Dame GSS say, your own farm in their school, just from the training. They are able, identify, say, there are problems in their schools. Pencil, with their students, young girls, so pencil cases. They are able to create a pencil cases for their colleagues, trying to solve a problem of them not scattering their pencil. So the main objective is problem around. Nobody is finding a solution to it doesn't have to be anything big. That's the focus. It doesn't have to be anything big. Say the next Mark Zuckerberg. That's not the thought. You just have to find something little that you can even if you are not getting money from it, you are finding a solution to something. So that's our mindset now as a kid. That is good enough for us. You grow up with it. We now person your doctor, fine. We are a doctor now. At the end of the day, we finally say there are things around me I can make money out of. I can do and solve. Nobody will be and pay attention to that. Meet Maya. Then that's okay. That's the focus for us right now, to be able to. They have that change mindset. Say, oh, I can do something little in my own community. If it becomes big. And also because at the end of the year, pay bigger impact. But starting from here, these girls, they're starting from there because say opportunity. They say you'll be say you'll be you'll be untrace until why do you say me school but then what if we had that opportunity?
Why straight jacket?
Yes. What if we had that opportunity? Say, see, there are so many things around that need solving. Why don't I focus on that? Why don't I do that? By this time, simple things are. It doesn't have to be big. The next minute, the next Pablo Picasso.
Okay.
You don't know. You see, so. If people are able to focus on things that they can, Kolani can focus on things that they can do, then that is the good aspect for us. So that's training.
Forgive me, what level of education is saying?
Tertiary.
Okay. Uko school no way.
GIG.
GIG. Okay. So you're a journalist.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Matias Yakwaba. Mashia minia ibedi nkomo atwi. Ma memra madam Kwachi so fa kakra ka ho na sane awo kan se akwado wo GHS akwado wo SHS, it means unyanye adult. What role can parents and play in all this?
Medase. My term something ritualized living. As a senena Auntie Gloria Ekano. And Pempino, Yao a science system almost so firm. No, imagine I say, Yama Yabofranin school on Onini Uncle Tertiary. Sometimes even courses no crumble more force. Say, Yenim say teachers, oh, that school down we are Benya baby, actually, hospital, Koyanes and a baby. So ritualized living and what you move be. Say, Yasa, Quenyano, say, Yabema Aquadano, Ede, now Jane, any new susuye, to me who say, environment no impono. Problems all. It's only how Obetima contribute as Sovia. Ebema Akrano, send a not minia gloria can. Adrian etima bi enti sesi an parents adwo mbet ma yabo amomofra ne say e ma one box imofra no say asumesi ba ekoye course we chenchena
eno bi na
kokokoye sa course we no omo empempi no omo ben omofra na school a omofra kon o misa won teachers me ba no subjects ben na wo sha ni nim die no na ho keka net sen o sha me ba na ho fama the baby a classroom na obi wa nensa no betumi dia ye adwuma enti sebi there are people who thought say uko read visual art wabon uko read home concept wabon,
which is not true.
Exactly.
Uko technical courses
mom sebi omo IQ from na yes courses but anya no carry say na sister yi kan so some artisans nyomo mutumi ya e wo se wo hu say enye obi a sebi na adwen nim de wo from e na eye enti say your parents no ebetumi ehunu sa nimdie wei na omo abeka InspiNest ne other NGOs omo pepa ne so ometete mabunu ana mofra ama omo adwen what we call paradigm shift obroni na beka ne sa omo sesa se no mu hu niema se no mu dwen fa niema ho ene na beboa ma solution e yepe no yebetuma bonti awofo so omo boa na insesa ya yepese yede to ye mabunu ne tirimu no ebetumi aba na nkoba se all for se ne se chenchina we na yenti bisrewa we ya na kona
ma to ase yi pa na where do we apply breaks to seemingly freedom ya person kwada no enya in this era no a ya hu se na wi ase na sia na kwada no man freedom kakra bi a body ru social media lesbianism gayism I know my rights in the bamu na no so the name where should we apply certain breaks
me da wasipa. Every parent is a coach and a guardian.
Okay.
So one who said we never bwa abofra ni time because yemben yemma no. I know my rights no interest say oh she akwada no so. Oh it's netsene. Me ye Christo mi say Bible kraka.
Okay.
Say cha abofra no kwan ya won fa so.
Na onyi a wanya.
Wa mane ho. So one who say kwan we be bwa me ba no.
Okay.
Na enye kwan ya de ne be call say yemu a. Senetene no. Na enkoba say esan say for a particular thing and our for sacraning and on a can
because if you follow the crowd you mess in it.
Thank you. It's only the dead fish that goes with the flow. Yes and see Senate na bofrano we be boa me ba no te me so na sene me manu kranhye me boa no bibi biara obenya se me de ne company for me de ne ma coaches mentorship sa na ye ka no ne se ye nja ye ma no na one call say mu.
Okay.
We can even monitor social media. We can monitor their pages and we say when I'm a banner say no with social media na enkoye say omenya dual character.
Okay.
If you ought to say social media ought to say.
What can you boost say after a week training no one mobile no omenya CCA. Yes sir, Mr. Dako.
Yes, after every training making sure say based on the mindset change in a person, to me identify simple problems around them. Say that's almost to answer to the solutions about for the problems because you want to say you help and I say problems that were important baby. Now quite ever so identify near who say I deal with me and see me to me solve a problem. As I solve a problem no so we are say na meye ama betumi ade a start business because mostly who say omo your textbooks you go na your school science textbook mu social studies textbook mu ideas na be brave na so kwan e be fa so dia solve yan ka say empotem your real problems and ya na eden issues because you who say you can say mra ba ye center hono for your first training na you discussing ebinu can say on you be say medical imaging machine I bet me take scan in the building no you want say heated arguments on race even gamma race and me my science school but you who say you moon the hona you to me some problem solving like I said debate on how we can even solve problems with the textbooks na yes you know this game you so then can you say yes you my textbook say and yes you na akotre wa say na pass
you reproducing na
do we 80s no we 80s na abona pass no so you who say you mu hona it me find problems I able to me the yes you our textbook no then e be solve and then your textbook nkutin like if you say you now we on my yes you on outside your academics your normal curriculum no obi won man fie kra adwuma ne papa ye kra otumi hu de ba ko na mienu bia ne papa ye obetumi esu free no no na so osu asade ne free no no o so otumi say problem for bro no obetumi de sade na solve say you can say ye mpese omo be ye multi any complex thing no say ye hwema ye say wo he esikafo we mpo we asimu so wo he resources e wo mo na ye available to them no mo take advantage over so him Mark Zuckerberg when he had internet or no computer in him then an on-file computer in here or started so usua kwa fa so ama abo ankita hudi communication keke and now Facebook ni dey ababesi ni say enso yemu say niama ba ku mienu e wo ye inputim I betumi omo tumi identify with no tumi after some problems omo tumi dey solve a very fantastic am I say betumi almost take care.
I think some concepts in here very beautiful. So far more rapport any education ministry near there. I be a district officers na because I think maybe more piloted or some selected schools but I feel say or periodically come visit almost all schools.
Sure.
No, including some teachers because you were teacher phobia kura no
almost say
omo trade no ankasa no ono ankasa no onye problem solver don't mean nature kwada makra na me problem solver.
Very true.
Of course you be so you very good at mo betimi apeke o mokra to help your in your training necessarily no the track na be the money education for in terms of say because that is the easiest way to identify kwada.
Sure. So nyama mienu na make say ya sha say
okay
with regards to say me no na sankita ho and they say before say starting projects na ga say mo school for no before say benya access to the school no cry ko GES nchen na o my access no but ena yemo mo ti ase de any school for na ba besua eno echi no ena yehu ne say ehu be hia say o be hu results from the projects aye no into no periodically no you prepare reports based on what the outcome aye no you submitted to them. And the other aspects of it is you say yeah say what's in the documents ekomo bia akoye problem say omotumi ahwemu ne into you say you ne ngumeku ahodan NGOs
no
NGOs e wo mpotema ani
ngumeku ahodo enshaban ase
edwuma enshaban ase ne I won potema na betumi na omahia na ahwe de omonso mbo ye fa de ye di kan edi hu nkomo yi
okay
na omo ye ne de betumi de aka ho no ye be ye se enti ne fe sa adwuma ne one aspects of your projects advocacy
okay
whereby I say the omo ye ne de enso ye no kwan be fa so aba be bom na yetumi aye sa ekoso edi sa adwuma a be bo am mebunu no eko enim no afen so the yesua anasa de sua de enya free advocacy nim no ye frɛ nduma aban nduma eku a wo mpotema edi kan frɛ GES and ministry no and afen so yetumi ye call children Department of Children and gender those associations na omo ewo impact or your more friend when I say like community and I know esusu the if say
okay
yep we want to bet me 5 free days best on my be boss and me ku ahodo yin na enko ba say lobbying and I said to get that impact from them no my be minimal but in me say with time it means I'm me ku ahodo yin na e din ko and I say to me din e koso e din sa so a we to me aboa ma policy change and I say we are almost after policy for the country in the near future which in sign commodity idea and I said the media ideas with me abemu
check council da mo ne esoma hodo ntem te sen because e onkwada no bi ho a you try to redirect their thinking and their focus in life but ono no wo gidi bi a eno na o maame ne o papa dom de tete no ofie weekend bi a no ho e bi a e mosque ho no moko ebia eye asondan bi ho no moko nti obema no training we nyina boku drufia ne a parent no so ka no different. How do you marry the two?
That's what I say we are this back for a was our project okay see can say a pilot this year started February in this particular project is been in February
next
2023
year. Okay
now after your truck and say your project be there anymore senior your chance you say school for no school for no plan was here no this answer also you know say a small hold on so say don't pass and come in come one e be boy say and I'm saying no at side is here now start project say e ko afie di no e be ko so ni small hold no etumi ehia wona kwan fa so atete your mofra no or sa kwan no so no say na wo mutumi e dey side addition so some youth meeting different
Sunday school
Sunday school near the to be addition so to me at the amount okay I know in the pipeline but say see I can say there in this side money be
okay ma won say maya na bi o ha ma me emisa 1 or 2 bi from the ma me ba jo friend saying one now person ha na yemisa so mo ankasa so ba training den na o manya quick na fi yenkoye ni yes I think say Jumadi we say san DB na ye nyan pa ya sen ka bitimi bambo training grounds also crab mame Martin that is saying the flow saying
Sonia ya Saka
Sonia
yes
ya Saka okay who go school when
Notre Dame senior
who just sense say
form
2 okay o ko training ni bi 1 week in
yes okay we learned about how to be an entrepreneur and then how to change the mindset of people
okay
and it was very interesting
okay
that one
who is an entrepreneur
is someone who uses resources available to create businesses with the main aim of gaining income.
Okay, so have you been successfully changed your mindset?
Yes. Initially.
Yes. How were you thinking and how do you think now?
Initially, when we resumed school, my mindset was just go to school, get the grades, make my parents happy, and then finish and go back and get a white collar job.
Okay.
But then after the training, it helped me realize that you don't have to just go read book and chew and pour, that kind of thing. But then you can just look around, find problems in your society, and then you try to solve them. So once you are solving it too, you are trying to make income from it. So it's like you are helping people at the same time, so you are gaining something. Okay.
Are you passionate about it? Because one key driver in everything that you do is about your passion. How passionate are you?
Oh, I'm very passionate. Very passionate.
So how will you rate the success of the training that you had?
Okay.
Let's say on a scale of 0 to 10, what would have been your mark?
I'll give it a 9.
9. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Mama, but what's your first thing?
The blessing appeared to you.
Blessing appeared to you. But what's your school?
Notre Dame Basic.
Notre Dame Basic. Good job, saying.
J1.
Oh, yeah, guest prefect, Anna. And our primary school and I guest prefect.
That's right.
Okay. Again, a show won't cry and says, I'll join you.
Pacho, I will buy your school home say. I will say,
yeah,
you buy a program be.
Okay.
Na your program cry by.
Okay.
Until you buy and so, oh, near ferry pa, natural so.
Oko foforo na afere. But ofa training no wie no. As say on shada mfere sa. Nye se wo mu ade but on fere. Won say ye wa dibu wo ho, e na ye wa de fede wo ho. Nti say no ubu nipa but unsuro nipa. Ya build your confidence in the amount. A dear important pa na trainers ni bi kan ya. E to wakoma so ama we nya sa confidence ni say.
Oh, pacho a madam ba could be by. No try say. Oh, we be baby. I was say, would you hoodie? I can. I was so big. This show must say, Metty Maya dinner mayeno. Memo a you bamumbu.
Okay.
I was so this show to me say, I didn't have to see my new same mayeno. Metty Maya.
Okay.
I make also a mayeno, so was say, when you focus.
Okay. Jomucho the can do spirit. So no, you are capable of executing it. So see what we need there. How old are you?
Pacho 13.
13. Many bro pa say me di 13 me you be more can be chere me bia nka matwa mo ha. Ma me ba Johnson Frozen.
Pacho your friend me Abigail nimbe yo bar.
Okay, Abigail. Also o basic ko abi.
Pacho.
Na ujina say.
Pacho me ne blessing ejina.
Also GHS1. Pacho also ko usua de.
Pacho me ko e misua niema bebre. In fact, first day I call honey de na me am shishi me pa.
Dey na ma yam shishi.
Like me go share other schools ni se ne na music come ho no. Like Emma manage.
Okay.
Nti yes ano Emma me so make come me home because na me person me new nyina e all the same like line.
Yeah.
You know to me inspire
Okay.
your colleagues na mo school mo no.
Okay. Okay. The no be kan ye to wakoma. Ma me blessing say da o te say obi kan say ade bi a be wadwen ye so obetumi aye obeye no obetumi aye. Onso den na e to wakoma so.
The time I come so pa ne say I was so war passion.
Okay.
The oye biara no. You have to be passionate about it.
Okay.
So only passion the oye no wan kasa kra wani nche.
Yeah.
Nti say wo passion na when your creativity say wo creativity a bibia oye bia no unsuro.
Okay.
And I face so wo obi a obetai wachi so a the oye biara no we focus.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
The nyame ase. Eno ba Johnson Frozen.
From Victoria.
Na Vic wachi mu duku say. Oh, SSR na GHS.
Where is it?
Okay. Ujina say.
Where is it?
We see chest too. O call gente tenu na sha say so buduku ana. Okay. Time na o program now you nipa ben. Na sisi a o so you nipa ben. In terms of your thinking.
Na me know be am twen kwa actually because I want to talk about passion.
Okay.
I say so passion na wo ya de. Yes. O ye ni ye.
Okay.
Or some who capabilities your strength and weakness.
Service ready.
Oh yeah, dear, obey ni.
Okay.
Let's see way a be am person me meaning person me fashion design.
Okay.
Yes.
I can see because what I say.
Yeah.
Maybe I will push you in that one.
Yes, me person me fashion design and person me be am creative.
Okay.
And you know, sa de no abe me talent you know, me person me di nyini. Me di nyina when I'm doing that thing I love doing it. Manage ho and am ye ni ye.
Okay.
Yemfa won say unyina bi a unyine na opeke talent na person u grow up and asensa no dwuma ebu ha parents mpene ebi akokoye doctor akokoye sei etorebu wo ha I'm a visual art student.
Okay.
Etorebu ha omumbuye because they know say wa wuni adwe like wa born na ebi a oye da course no but this program are changing my mind very well.
Okay.
Because say call ho no ebidim timi by class like you're shocking for people to aim like munye nipa bia ba.
Yeah.
Nko fe ba la o ma change my mindset say so we are creative bibia koye like o ma change a mindset o mama passionate so.
Okay.
Say we ye bibia e wo say we ye ade a odo.
Okay.
Ti say e bia ade wani gi ho a wo ye ade wani gi ho a wo ye de bia wo de ani gi na eye enya bufu na ade ye wo ye so a wo ye ni yie.
Yeah.
Yemfa doctors, some doctors for instance, say we call hospitals ebo ha ona nurses for 18 obu ha oni passion for the work but ne maame aforce no kokoye we be hu okoho a na oni passion ti uba ho oni amubruhu no de
what do you say?
No 18 years.
Okay. So aso.
Oni sa amubruhu ne de maw. Won so bu ho akrabu ho nyina we very caring. Ti sa caring no ma means me pesa me yenes okodru ho a ode akoma pa ne bibia na eye adwuma no. Entini se hu passion hu capabilities a eboa opanti program is so aboa me mo se we say we focus on my capabilities, my strength and weakness. And then my passion. Say the best I am a de me ni na aboa me mine.
Okay.
Service ready.
Okay. That's a I love your confidence. Which is indeed training no one confirm kekeba mum training no. Afa pa. Bia ro minim ni ade beso so na fi yemfamo nsi then now they so bi what is it that you want people to know and to hear na Mr. Dakon ingi na fi madam kwashi no so okay Mr. Dakon na be ka say twato Pierre wi na kwashi aba na fi Mr. Dakon wi en kwakra mai
there be say twato ni simple inkofonte I say about being
say more hin say bia me pese me badwan ni am fine am where are you?
It was Sunyani Rex.
Okay.
Modern information building the
okay.
The third
but we are
floor.
Cuisine no more no. Okay.
Yeah, Greenleaf building the top one.
Okay.
It's there we say chata no say nkofonya that mindset of change, because entrepreneurship be a bit my entrepreneur, but some and you be an caught that line, but then be able to find because Ghana sometimes it's me a ding. Now we jumano cry me so when I sit then I'll bit my year abwa hona sabwa o mine. It's you say unkofonya if they are able to even get that mindset so bit man aye way. You can do this, then that's just it. And then we want, if people also, our center is also available. Trainings, we can do that. And then we also talking about our about our next project. That one too, we hope that it will be able to impact others because it's all about digital literacy. To be because Sunyani, I had to say it's few people that are use digital platforms. You be call online. You want to find something about Sunyani. Nothing. How do we champion that? How do we make people Sunyani open to other people? How do you that even limits all the migration? We hope that next project will also impact other people in the region as well. Yes, man.
Medase Abaya Kwashi, you do you have a special name for your spectacles?
No.
Okay.
I love naming my things, but unfortunately, I've not named my spectacles.
Okay. Is it medicated?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. Okay. Minimum, I do chat to one.
No, the chat one is Pennyphonic as a back for and Sunyani and Nikata.
That's true.
InspiNest alone cannot do this. All stakeholders in Sunyani should come on board. It should be a beautiful partnered project. And Munyam Shaniba, Beka Yenina, our form way, NGOs in Brum, and every stakeholder that has the youth and children at heart.
Okay.
Medas.
Menso
Adubia, so tight service.
Okay. Uni understand?
Adubia, Mary Adubia.
Oh, okay.
Osemanchiano, obey me.
Okay, can you send in Chiano Kiki? I just can you be so Kiki or also take as our happen to watch. Now, maybe Mimian, so okay. Bizarro, Pajo, you might.
Okay, that's it. Service radio, that was it.
Yes.
Me try to ono na me the medical that partners are my project we partners as me say project we sanka betumi aba sanka betumi aya na ndumekuo hodo bi e kan ho omo ba betumi this project e di kan sisu.
Okay.
We are funding partners from Denmark.
Oh, okay.
And
so it's an international staff.
Sure.
I see.
Sure.
I have returned on being that exposure.
Several connections are mobile with planning, like because planning the project and all, it was one other organization in Denmark. I was from Civil Connections. Okay. Civil Connections, and make us Denmark, and I can make Denmark. So African. He's
Okay.
African and friend Andrew.
Okay.
Andrew Bende of Uganda.
Okay.
Now, our projects are within the African continent, and this is one of them.
Okay.
I expect to say with the impact Ebenya from this
Service
project,
radio.
I expanded to do more
Yeah.
in this region because InspiNest, Bruno entity is InspiNest.
Yeah.
Well, InspiNest, Mudu Drona, Yin Free Bruno region, and also Bruno Hanum Nama, Yasa, Akwenye say between this agreement. And I think so all medical for a D I from SDG World. Say, sustainable development goals. Nina, over church, Mofrano from junior high school, from basic school, in fact, to tertiary near the SDG World also can almost share church amount for about sustainable development goals. It's a project create the sustainable development goals BC, no so answer to me. You say target group, no say females, because I said. I can say girls' schools and say gender equality in terms of these opportunities that we are getting for the youth coming up. You can say projects now we say about boys now. The projects we could do mixed schools is here. We won't say
boys will take you over.
Now we say girls train it. Boys very 50, 60, no more not girls now can.
And yeah, fortunes say because you're masculine, you bully your ways through. Did I am
goals need to count.
Okay.
Gender and has a quality education. Education is overall person, not just getting the grades and passing the exam.
Okay.
So so I can't disagreement.
Okay.
You know, you can say you hear support from the local partners. No, so you can say projects in the brain area.
Yeah.
It's in the say to me any support from like say public authorities near around. Say about open and every stress on will be on my. Now you to me no this sound so you can say you hear I do when you say this year and so you hear my about and I say we say a project you say hubs na set to up campuses na to me after for campus no say almost so be kind
service radio
clubs na say hubs I set up for school team to me after
okay you better ma say pa InspiNest you ma say students are free Notre Dame both SHS and GHS by Madam Priscilla Jijo Kwashi our Juma or national NYA now fi fachame and Gloria Bribi communications officer now fi Godfred Dakon our project manager Yadamasiano pay thank you I think say near Masha say no papa Yesu Christo kura say mama mofra yi kwan na wo no mmra me nchen na wo nom sa and also ahini no yo modia it is good ade ba kwan high we krum ha ye kwan e fa so dwen ye mpanyimfo krom di anim kwan fa so dwen tin ye kru no tese ne city no de me hu obi a opese or redirected the thinking of the Ghanaian child positively ya no manage hu ye pa de thank you mo ma ye hu ne say it is a call so obi so ya frame say me ye sofo obi say ya frame say me ye post ni so ya frame say mo dwumani ndi zane na nkwada na ka passion no you should also be extremely passionate about what you are doing. And I know say the next 2-3 years I have no young comedy be different our system. Thank you for coming. Thank you.